a secret gateway to the invisible world, the mysterious invention of the microscope. Ever wondered how we discovered a world hidden to the naked eye? The microscope is one of the most mysterious inventions, and its origins are debated even today. Imagine a world where we could never see bacteria, cells, or even the intricate details of a snowflake. A world where diseases were blamed on bad air rather than tiny invaders. But then a mysterious invention changed everything, the microscope. But who really invented it? Was it a secret kept by scientists, a lucky accident, or something much older than we think? Stay till the end as we uncover the fascinating story of the microscope, its hidden origins, its evolution, and the mysteries behind its invention. The journey begins in 1590 with Hans and Zacharias Janssen, Dutch spectacle makers who accidentally stacked lenses and saw objects appear larger. But wait, was it really them? Some say Italian scientist Giovanni Faber coined the term microscope in 1625, while Galileo Galilei built a similar device in 1609. Who really invented the microscope? The most accepted inventor of the microscope is Zacharias Janssen, a Dutch spectacle maker in 1590. But here's where things get mysterious. Janssen's claims were made much later, and no original microscope from him exists. Some historians believe it was actually his father, Hans Janssen, or even another Dutch scientist, Cornelis Drebbel, who secretly created the first version. Even stranger, in 1538, 50 years before Janssen, an Italian named Girolamo Fracastoro wrote about a crystal lens that could see tiny creatures. Could it be that the idea existed long before, but nobody revealed it? Here's a more detailed timeline. In a world too small for the eye to see, one invention changed everything: the microscope. It all began in the 1590s, when the Janssen family crafted the first compound microscope. But it wasn't until 1665 that Robert Hooke peered into a piece of cork and saw something remarkable: tiny chambers he called cells. Just a few years later, a Dutch cloth merchant named Antony van Leeuwenhoek stunned the world. With no formal training, he built a single-lens microscope that magnified up to 300 times. What he saw amazed him and the world. Bacteria, sperm cells, red blood cells, living things no one had ever seen before. His discoveries were so unbelievable, the Royal Society of London thought he was lying, until they looked through his lens themselves. Meanwhile, across Europe, Galileo Galilei, yes, the astronomer, was tinkering with lenses too. In 1609, he built one of the earliest compound microscopes and called it the occhiolino, the little eye. A quiet rivalry was born as these minds unknowingly raced to unlock the microscopic world. The 19th century brought achromatic lenses, making images clearer than ever, but the real game changer came in 1931, when Ernst Ruska and Max Knoll invented the electron microscope. Suddenly, scientists could see down to the atomic level. As microscopes evolved, so did their purpose. In the 1840s, Dr. Ignaz Semmelweis used a microscope to prove that invisible germs were killing mothers in childbirth. When he urged doctors to wash their hands, they laughed at him. He died disgraced, but history proved him right. In the 1860s, Louis Pasteur confirmed the germ theory of disease. Microscopes had shown us the enemy and how to fight it. Vaccines, antibiotics, modern medicine, they all owe a debt to this tiny lens. And yet, some wonder, did ancient civilizations know the secrets of magnification? Roman lenses, Viking crystals, even cryptic Indian texts hint at a forgotten knowledge. Could it be that the microscope was rediscovered rather than invented? From humble glass to high-powered electron beams, the microscope opened a hidden universe. It changed how we see life, disease, and even ourselves. So what do you think was the greatest discovery made with a microscope? Let your imagination zoom in.